Catch a glimpse into the evolving world of Indian education. 5 key factors are reshaping the traditional learning landscape. First, digital transformation. A shift towards online classrooms and digital learning tools has revolutionized knowledge delivery, making education accessible and interactive. Second, skill-based learning. The focus is shifting from rote learning to practical skills and real-world problem-solving, preparing students for the future workforce. Third, progressive policies. Government initiatives are prioritizing education, with schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, empowering the girl child. Fourth, private sector participation. Increased involvement from private companies is contributing to curriculum development, infrastructure, and teacher training. Lastly, global collaboration. Indian institutions are partnering with global universities, encouraging student exchanges and shared research. Stay tuned to witness the unfolding story of Indian education. This is a journey of growth, change, and endless possibilities.